Hey, what's up everyone? Today I will be unboxing the Lovecraft, the HP Lovecraft collection. Just got it in today. And I found this on Amazon. Wow, it's pretty heavy. Comes with 6 books. We have The Dunwich Horror and The Call of Cthulhu, At the Mountains of Madness, Stories of the Dreamlands, the Randolph Carter Tales, and Macabre Stories. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this plastic here. The box is pretty nice. I really like. It's kind of like the top kind of is some kind of cloth, cotton, I think. But here's the box. Pretty cool art. It's the same thing on the other side, I believe. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and. Oh, let's check out the back of this too. It just shows all the. It's pretty neat. The books feel the same. They're all hardback, which I love hardback. So let's just pull these all out and we'll look at the covers. So we have just white in there. It's too bad it wasn't something else. There's like, can you see the colors in there? It looks like some of the ink or something rubbed off inside the corners there. That's alright. Though this would have been cool if this cardboard in here was black or something. It would make it pop more. But let's go ahead and look at these covers here. So that's pretty neat. I love the old style. It's got purple. The words on the books are pretty decent. It looks like it might be small for some people, but I'm okay with that. Let's just go ahead and check out all the covers here. They're all different. That one's really cool. Nothing on the back, but I like how everything's is a different color. This set was, I think I got it for $45 on Amazon. 45 US dollars. Really awesome set. I love these covers. They're amazing. I can't wait to get in here and read these. And anyway, yeah, that's the HP Lovecraft book collection. I don't think it's all of the HP Lovecraft's books, but they are. It's a good deal of them, and I have another book coming in that wasn't included in these, so I'll be doing a video on that as well. Thanks for watching.